Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify file naming and versioning in Adobe Premiere Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify file naming and versioning in Adobe Premiere Pro, open your project in the application. Navigate to the project panel, which is typically located in the lower left corner of the interface. Locate the media files you want to check. Right-click on any media file to bring up the context menu. Select Properties from the menu. A dialog box will appear displaying file information, including the name and version details. Take note of the original file name and version. To ensure proper versioning, compare this information with your file naming conventions. If you need to rename a file, right-click on the media file again. Select Rename from the context menu. Type in the new name following your established naming conventions. Press Enter to confirm the new file name. To further organize your project, consider creating bins in the project panel. Right-click in the project panel and choose New Bin to create folders for different file types or versions. Drag and drop files into the appropriate bins for easy access. To keep track of version changes, you may want to include the version number in the file name itself. After renaming, double-check to ensure all files are consistently named. Regularly reviewing your file names will help maintain clarity in your project. This practice also simplifies collaborations with other team members. Make sure to save your project after making any changes to file names or organization. Close the Properties dialog when done checking file information. Your files should now be clearly named and organized according to your specifications. Continue working on your project with confidence in your file management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.